Hello everybody, and welcome to yet another OBAP video. This is the part 3 of day 4. There's only one more after this one, but once again I just want to thank them for such a great experience and for letting me get all this great footage for you guys. It was truly an amazing experience, and definitely I recommend checking it out if you can. This next clip will show you what we are checking out today. That's right, we are checking out the MSP C-17s. So now going into the interior, here we have this jump seat kind of thing. And then here are some of the crew seats, proper Ryanair here. Pretty interesting to see. I didn't get too many photos of the interior, but here's the cockpit. Got some photos of the cockpit, definitely not too modern looking. A lot of steam gauges, and here we'll look at some more of the steam gauges, of course. This is definitely not as modern looking as the A220 or the A350 cockpits that we checked out in the first and second videos of this series. And the throttle lever is still very impressive though. And I spotted this Alaska 737 from the cockpit windows as well. We'll see more of that later. Here are some more of the steam gauges, of course. Very interesting, very impressive too, to be honest. And here's what it looks like from the first officer's seat. There's the yoke, which you could put inputs into, and I guess my neighbor was a little bit harder than you'd expect, I would say, but I was able to put some inputs in. And now we're watching the Alaska 737-800 take off here. Of course, it's really cool to see from the cockpit of the C-130. Well, that is until the window ran out. But maybe the coolest part is they let us go on top, let us go through the hatch. Well, they didn't let us go on top of the aircraft, but they let us see on top of the aircraft through the hatch and the cockpit. This was so amazing. Here you can see the props, and that was just so cool to see. And now I will leave you in this video with some of my plane spotting clips from on top and on the ground. So enjoy those, and I'll see you tomorrow. As always, good night. Auf Wiedersehen.